Wind 18 inches of floss around the middle fingers of each hand, leaving about 5 inches between your hands. Pinch the floss between your thumbs and index fingers and leave about 1 inch in between to work with. Gently guide the floss down between the teeth using a side-to-side motion. If your teeth are too tight to floss, or if it catches or tears, let us know about it. These are problems that need to be fixed. Pull the floss tightly in a C shape around the side of the tooth and slide it under the gum line. Clean the surface of the tooth by using an up and down motion, not side to side, until the surface is clean. When all the plaque has been removed, you'll hear the floss start to squeak. Then pull the floss around the next tooth and repeat the process. Wind the floss to a fresh section and gradually work your way around your mouth, cleaning both sides of every tooth. If your gums are infected, they'll bleed when you floss, and that's to be expected if you are just beginning to floss. After a week or so of regular flossing,